Hey guys, what's up? Um, so here I am to make a new video, and so since that other shirtless video I did was pretty popular, it came out pretty nicely. Thinking about doing it again, and so I thought of an idea. So I'm wearing one of these like collar shirts type things, and like I'm gonna like unbutton the button every time I like sneeze. And then maybe like start sneezing shirtless, something like that. That's what I'm uh, thinking up. So I'm gonna try that and see how that works out. And let's get started and not waste another minute. My eye teared so much from that. Oh well. Oh, yeah. Oops, I forgot already. See? Alright, unbuttoned. Alright, I gotta follow through with this, sorry. Oh. Ooh. Mm. Another button? Oh my god. How's that? I have like, what, 2 more buttons left? I don't know if you could tell. Oh, someone's calling me. It's my friend Vicky. Should I answer it? Maybe I'll try to sneeze for her. Fine. Watch this, okay? Hey. What's up? Sorry. I'm just hanging out. I'm with Tyler. Yeah, I'm just hanging out. What are you doing? You're just at home? Oh, cool. Um, I could call you back in like 10-15 minutes. I'm just a little busy. Yeah, we could talk about that. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, that's cool. Sorry. Thank you. Um, Yeah, we could do. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I should be free tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, I just gotta go, but yeah, I'll call you in like a little while. All right, talk to you later. Wow. Yeah, I forgot she was gonna call me. My friend Vicky. She lives like down the street. She's like my sister's friend, and sometimes she likes to hang out. So I forgot she was gonna call me. I didn't know it was gonna be during the video, but at least I got a sneeze out, right? And that means I must undo another button, I would say, right? I just sneezed. Alright, so look how close I am. One button left on the shirt. Look at this. I feel like I look like Bradley Cooper in Hangover, or I don't know if he wore like this thing in all three movies, but I really like this. It's like a plaid type white, kind of see-through. Can't really tell, like button down. So, all right. Wow, 6 minutes already. I hope Vicky liked that. She so thinks I'm like sick or something. Thought she was gonna ask that, but she didn't. So, um. Yeah, watch when I meet up with her later. If I see her in like a little while, she'll be like, "Were you sick? You were sneezing on the whatever." All right. Oh, I do have like tissue, like toilet paper. Okay, yeah, I'll use that. Shit. All right, let's get moving. The next sneeze, I will be shirtless. So do not fast forward. You gotta see. Hate that when that happens. Not just when you have like one of those like false starts, but when you look up at the light and you're convinced you're gonna sneeze, and then it just does not happen. Okay. Trying for a third one. Alright, didn't forget this time. I will be taking this shirt off, that's right. Alright, who needs a shirt anyway? I don't really need shirts. You guys loved the last shirtless video, so I just have to be nice and make another one for you guys. Alright. Is that good enough? I guess that's good, yeah. Hopefully you can see okay. Don't know. Alright, let's get started. Got enough time, right? Alright. I need one of the tissues. Hope this is not too far away. Can you guys see me? Alright. My right nostril seems a little better today. Well, a lot of snot on that one. I like those nasally sneezes that get like all over your shorts. I don't know if the camera picked that up, but look at that. Damn. Alright. Now I'll try to do like I'll try to switch it up a little bit. I don't have that much time. I think I can't exceed like 15 minutes or something. So, try to like sit down and do a few. Can't really see me, can you? Shit. Oh well, I'm still shirtless. Alright. I'll try to like switch it up instead of like same sneezes all the time, sorry. A variety. I think I have 15 minutes, yeah, so another few minutes. Alright. That was like a full, what do you call it, like a full blown like sniffle, like split, like, wow. I don't like to do that too much, because it like hurts your ears, it makes them like pop. Alright. I'll try to do one of those like partial sniffles where it's like kind of wet, but not really. Wish I could get more of my body in. I don't know, it's like kind of hard. My camera isn't the best quality either, so tell me if it's like not good quality, maybe I'll try to upgrade, but I thought it was decent when I bought it. It said it was an HD, like I think I mentioned before, but I don't know if it really is or not. Okay, I'll try for another one. This time I'll try to make it like messy or something, I don't know. Holy shit. Alright, I think I'm like that on time. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, talk to you later.